Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, application hang detected, the application has hung and now will close. We apologize for the inconvenience, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying application hang detected problem on Fortnite easily. So this solution has a very easy fix. You don't need to do anything. You just need to unplug any controllers that you may have plugged into your computer. So just unplug those controllers, and after that now you can go into your game and play the game. And once you're in your game, then you can just plug your controller back in, or if you want to play with a keyboard or mouse you can do that as well. I'll recommend you do that because plugging in a controller can maybe bug up your game. So just either unplug your controllers entirely or just unplug them until you're in the game and then plug the controllers back in. And after that you should be able to now play Fortnite and you will not get that application hang detected problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix that annoying application hang detected problem on Fortnite. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.